someone found out that you can install large files from the App Store on an external drive.
It was Steve Hammond
And it was
in Discord.
Steve. Yeah. Somehow I didn't get it. I didn't get the name on there, but I just found this. It was actually from a Mac Rumors article. So we'll try to make sure the link is there too to give them credit. But he says if you're running out of space on your Mac's internal drive, macOS Sequoia 15.1 includes a handy new feature that lets you install large apps directly to external storage. Here's how you could use it to preserve space on your boot drive. You connect your external drive to your Mac, obviously. Open the App Store, click App Store in the menu bar and select Settings. Check the box next to download and install large apps to a separate disk. And then you select the external drive that you want to use from the drop-down menu. Boom, you're done. Now, of course, this only works with apps that are larger than 1 gigabyte. You need to be aware that the external drive has to be obviously connected to enable this setting. The drive should be formatted in APFS format. And then depending upon the app, some apps actually store like data. Data is still stored on your main drive. So we're just talking about super large apps in and of themselves. So I would imagine, things like games or anything that's a super large application.